So basically this project is about the automated exhaust fan and temperature control system for ship engines. The title of the project. So this will be the block diagram of the project. So the major thing is Arduino microcontroller, temperature sensor, and exhaust fan. The same circuit will be implemented in real time also, but this is the students project level, so we use these kind of components. Here the Arduino microcontroller, we know very well that this is a major part of the project. We are going to program it accordingly, which temperature the exhaust fan should turn on, at which temperature the exhaust fan should turn off. Everything will be programmed the Arduino microcontroller. And here the temperature sensor we use is LM35. This LCD display is 16x2, a normal LCD display. This is a voltage regulator. So there will be a power supply unit. We use usually a step down transformer to get a power supply to the entire circuit. So, and relay is electronic switch, which is connected with the Arduino as well as the power supply unit. So whenever the temperature reaches the threshold, the relay will be turned on. Whenever the relay will be turned on, the exhaust fan will get turned on automatically. The power supply for the exhaust fan will be taken from the power supply unit through the relay. So this is the sample report. Covers literature review, hardware descriptions, and finally the conclusion and the reference papers. So this is the entire report format. Let us see the live demo of the project. So this project is about the automatic exhaust fan control and temperature monitoring system. So basically in our vessel the engine room temperature will be in very high condition. So and the exhaust fan control should be one of the major factor in the engine control system. So based upon that concept, we are making a automatic exhaust control system using the temperature sensors. So let us see the hardwares before starting the project. So this is the actually this is a model. This is not an entire concept. So we are using a DC fan for the exhaust instead of exhaust fan, and there is a relay which acts as a switch. This is Arduino. This is LCD display, 16x2 LCD display, and this is the power supply unit, and this is the step down transformer, and this is the connecting probe. So basically so the basic thing is we need to give the power supply to turn on this system. So I'm just connecting the power supply. So it is in the inverse mode. So here you can see the temperature, now the room temperature is 24.9 degrees centigrade. So below the temperature I'm just displaying a normal temperature, abnormal, like that. Okay. So before demonstrating, let me explain you in detail about each and every component. So this is the step down transformer. Basically the function of step down transformer is to convert the input voltage into a lower voltage. For example, now we are taking a power supply from our AC source. The power supply coming into the step down transformer will be come around 220 to 240 volt. So using this step down transformer, we are stepping down the 220 volt to 12 volt. So after converting the 12 volt, it taken to the power supply. This is the power supply unit. This unit is called a bridge rectifier. This bridge rectifier circuit will convert the AC supply into DC supply. While converting the AC to DC, this capacitor will act as a rectifier, and it will clear the noises which are generated while converting the AC to DC. This is the voltage regulator which converts the 12. Actually, this is the 12 volt step down transformer. So the output of the transformer will be 12 volt. So we have to the components whichever we are using is operated using a DC. So we are converting the input AC supply into DC. So for the purpose we are using the bridge rectifier, and we need a 5 volt power supply, regulated 5 volt power supply. For that we are using a voltage regulator here. So output of the regulator will be the 5 volt power supply, which will be taken to the Arduino unit. So this is the main processing unit. Here all the data is going to be processed, and according to the temperature, what will be the certain temperature, when should turn exhaust fan should be turned on, when should turned off, everything will be programmed inside this IC. Okay, so here using this probe we can connect to our computer and we can program this microcontroller easily. That's why we are choosing the Arduino microcontroller. And this is the LCD display, 16 cross 2, that is 16 characters, 2 lines. So 16 cross 2 LCD display with a baseboard. Okay, so this is a DC fan. So instead of a real-time exhaust fan, we are using a DC fan. This is a relay, 12 volt relay. So the DC fan, instead of this DC fan, you can able to connect the real-time fan also. Okay, so for that we are using. So this is the relay. Relay is nothing but an electronic switch. In our home we are using like a manual switch, right? Instead of that, this switch is controlled by the microcontroller, so it's called electronic switch. This is the temperature sensor. This is called LM35. This sensor. This is the temperature sensor. It will sense what will be the temperature. I'll change the temperature and I'll show you. Okay. If I'm pressing it, the temperature is changing. So based on my body temperature, it's changing. Okay. So let me demonstrate you. So right now I don't have any lighter with me, so I'm giving a soldering iron temperature. So you can see the temperature is rising step by step, 28, 29, 30, 31, 33, 36, 37, 39. So the threshold will be 40 degree. So whenever the 40 degree reaches, it will show the over temperature. So the engine room is in overheat condition. 40 degrees centigrade, no people can able to survive, and engine also will be in the higher temperature. So whenever the 40 degree Celsius reaches, it will automatically turn on the exhaust fan, and also the relay will be turned on. Whenever the room is getting cooled, it will automatically turned off. Whenever it get heated, whenever the room get heated about 40 degrees centigrade, it will automatically turned on. So this is how basically, this is a model, proof of concept. This is how the engine control, engine room will be, exhaust control will be controlled.